Wait. The person you kill, now which tribe? HAUSA.
Hello my people, I greet the full house from untouchable mama. Also now they fine. Now do what una take they help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well. My people, this video I will put am on and listen to wetin happen. Maybe some of una don't see am. Why some never see am? Now wow, this one happen for Benin o. Hey, happen for Edo State. All these people where the video say them be vigilante. All these vigilante where they for Edo State because of wetin dey happen, not that they do control. Now they can't see this man with this woman. Hey, my people. Now they see them. If you not see wetin they say they do, oh God. Now so this life be. Adult women, this one don't be saying yahoo again. All this one I see mama with papa. They not be picking again. Small and see this woman. I what Peter say. This woman fit do wetin they do. Now know wetin they do. Now one HAUSA na they me. They remove her come off for her nose because of money, urgent money where they want make. Hey, they even they thought the way where they take me the HAUSA person. The one way hold on for them, where they put the oh Jesus is Lord. I just the year and the thing just they say you man be person like you just hold on. Carry something. Just take my mena. Not be chicken o, not be goat o. Now person like you where they breathe like you, they talk like you, they waka like you. Even when you even carry a chicken self, say you want use and do Christmas, something go even they do you for body say this chicken, I don't know the way some people say they behave because of money, you just carry person like you. You not use yourself, oh no, you not use yourself. Person, because you value your own life, you not come value another person life. And only God now go save us. If you not see these people where even they do all these things, which you see themselves, you they say, this one, hey now wow, my people, I don't know what I want to talk again. I see this video, I just say, cry, they cry for my eyes. Wait papa and mama, this woman, where you carry, you see, woman where they carry picking for 9 months for belly. You know if you feel anything, you whole person for, hi, Jesus. My brothers and sisters, Mona be careful. Mona tell na people may they stay away for all these people because only God know the way they say they call, they look for person, they carry. You want carry person, you want go do money. You know want work, They carry everything where they carry for them, where they for put it. Hey, my people. Now wow, me I put the video. Mona watch and Mona hear by on herself. Me I not just talk and finish. Now stay blessed. God bless you.
Okay, drop that thing for grant.
Drop that thing.
Okay.
Drop
Where
drop out.
Wait. The person you kill, now which tribe? HAUSA man you kill. Where you? See, these are medicine tissue, ritualists that my boys, police special anti-cultism vigilante, apprehended. This man is an affair. He went to kill 130 years HAUSA man for rituals. He's taking us to go and recover the dead body now. Come on, guys. Now, what do you want to use the dead body? Who send you make you use the money? The person do rituals for them.
Now we say make we take money do ritual for us.
Who them beat to you?
I say make
they are customer to you. Okay, they can't do juju for your hand. Okay, they can't say them do it. They need their money.
They say they need money. Maybe they feel.
Okay. Which blood will this one have for you? Okay, the woman be blood. One are kill. Open it, let's see. Okay, don't dry now. One are kill person. Okay, the blood be that now. The HAUSA man, you know his name?
The name wey dey
like say the name as they do something in that time, you can't talk the name. Baba, like say you tell Baba the name. The name dey that agreement.
Well, now where is the agreement paper now?
Okay. The agreement.
Madam, get up. Madam, who hold the person for you when you kill?
Nah, 12.
Two of the whole who hold the hand?
Nah, 2 of them hold the hand and the leg.
Okay. Madam, you first. I can't take kill him. Wait.
everybody go back home.
Okay, what say that where you are to down where your bed was
Okay. Why are you joining now?
Yeah, so madam.
So
One go dey with your uniform.
no person go there with this uniform.
Somebody go dey with the uniform.
So this is Anambra Youth Volunteer. This is what is happening in Opiweka right now. So I'm making this video to alert every one of you. If you have any woman that just gave to birth that is looking for her child, or maybe that sold her child, anything, please, even the government and the masses, you will help us to locate this woman. This is the woman in question that will cut with the baby. So, and this is the chairman of the youth. So this thing is happening right now in Opiweka. If you have any miss to this baby, please alert us. So madam, you can, madam, concentrate. So chairman, tell us please.
Caught the woman with the baby. According to the interview, she said she received the baby from a couple in Asaba.
Okay.
She resides in Onitsha here, while she's from Enugu State.
Okay.
Which side in Enugu?
Madam, please tell us, which side in Enugu State are you from? Amiche.
Amiche Okunano.
What?
Enugu State.
Okay.
That is where she's from. Please, I'm saying something.
Okay.
So she said she intercepted the mother of this child on the way.
Okay.
On the way around the Oko village.
In Asaba.
In Asaba.
Okay.
That's where she got this child.
Okay.
I asked her how much she gave to the mother of this child. She did not say the particular amount, but she mentioned that she gave the woman only a little money. Ego na exactly.
So, madam, please. Madam, woman, please tell us your name and your address.
My name.
Please speak louder.
Rosaline. 5 Ajasa.
Number 5 Ajasa Street. At where? Onitsha. Okay.
Ego na-esi mgbe ahụ na obere ego ka ị nyere nne nwa. Obere ego ahụ ị nyere nne nwa bụ ego one.
Yes.
Madam, please be sincere. You know, we just rescue you from the masses.